Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing this look and it is inspired by the lovely Ashley Greene. I absolutely love her and I was looking at pictures and seeing what kind of looks I could recreate and I found this one right here. And I thought it'd be a really fun one to recreate. So if you want to see how I got this look, please stick around. Okay, so to start off the look, I've put on my Bare Minerals Original Foundation, and I am in the shade Fair Ivory 2. And I applied that with this flat-topped brush, and this is from Mary Kay, and it's from their Mineral Foundation collection. Then to fill in my brows, I actually invested in an eyebrow pencil, guys. I'm getting there. I use the Milani Easy Brow Pencil, and I am in the shade Dark Brown. So that is that. Let's see. I don't know if you can see that. Okay, so to start off the eyes, I'm going to put the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer in Sin all over my lid. And I'm also going to put a little bit on the bottom as well. And then I'm just going to rub that in with my finger. Okay, next I'm going to be taking my Too Faced Sweet Peach palette and the shade Nectar, which is right here. And it is just a pretty like tan golden-y kind of color. And I wouldn't say it has like shimmer, like sparkle in it, but it does have like a sheen to it, so I really like it. So I'm just gonna take a sort of fluffy brush, not as fluffy as my blending brush, but still fluffy. And I'm going to be putting that all over my lid. And I'm also going to put a little bit of that color underneath my eye as well. Okay, so next I'm going to be taking the shade Cobbler, right here, and a pencil brush. And then I'm going to be putting that in my crease, and I'm going to be focusing it on the outer corner. And then once it's sort of blended out, I'll bring it in just a little bit. But I really want that color to be focused on the outer corner. I'm also going to bring it down just to my lash line, just at the very end of my eye, but mostly keeping it in the crease. And this is just to give the look some depth and definition. So you can see that it is a pretty harsh line, so I'm going to take my fluffy blending brush and I'm going to blend that out really well. That is my husband in the background. So you can see the difference from blending, very harsh line, and then more of like a smoky, blown out look. And this is what we're going for on this side. All right, next I'm going to be taking White Peach right here. And I'm going to be taking my finger, my clean finger, and putting that in the inner corner And this just really helps to like brighten the eyes, not make you look so tired. Sorry about all the background noise. There's a lot going on in my house this morning. Okay, so I'm going to take my blending brush again, and I'm just going to make sure that there's no defined line between the highlighting and the other shadows. I'm going to be taking my Marc Jacobs eyeliner pencil, and I'm going to be putting this in a pretty thin line. And I'm not going to make a wing at all. Okay, so next I'm going to be taking my NYX eye pencil in white, and I'm going to be putting that on my lower waterline. This is a really awesome trick to help your eyes look brighter and more awake and fresh. Let's see. How am I going to do this? Okay, so to finish off the eyes, I'm going to take my L'Oreal Voluminous Butterfly Mascara in black. And I'm going to start with my bottom lashes. And then I'm going to put a couple generous coats on my top lashes. Okay, so for blush, I'm going to be taking my Clinique blush in the shade Precious Posy and a fluffy brush. And I'm just going to be taking that. I'm going to start at the apples of my cheek and then work my way back. And you don't need a whole lot of blush for this look. Really, the main focus are the lips. But just put enough to warm up your face. Okay, for the lips, I'm going to be taking my red lip from Bite Beauty. Looks like this. And it's in the shade Gazpacho. And I'm just going to put that on my lips. So I'm going to let that dry a little bit, and then I'm going to be putting my Amore Matte by Milani in the shade Precious, because I want a really bright, good color, but I don't want it so red. So I'm going to be putting this over top of that. Alright guys, and this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and make sure to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye!